Hey guys, it's your main man Kyle over here. We are at 11110 Lee Highway in Fairfax, Virginia. I got some great exciting news for you guys. Let's get into it. So what I got for y'all is the brand new Miele Triflex HX2. Check it out. So this thing does have a brand new additional attachment. So this is an attachment caddy for your tools. And if you can see, we have a tinted dustbin right here. The old one was clear. It does have a better long-lasting battery to it, lasting 125 minutes of cleaning time. And it also does have LED lights into it as well. So last but not least, it does have the most suction. We can compare it to your HX1. It has twice as suction as this one does. It does make that the most powerful Miele vacuum cleaner in the market. So that's it for the video, guys. If you are in the market for a new vacuum, we do have these in. You can come in, bring your old vacuum, get $100 off of this one. I hope this video was entertaining, and I hope to see you guys soon. Until then, you can check us out at AceVacuums.com or give us a call, 703-997-9292. Thank you guys and have a good day.